Dear students, welcome to one more new video of social science. In this video, let us see key answers of multiple choice questions based model question paper, which is released by KSEEB for the year 2020 and 2021. Four choices are given for each of the questions or incomplete statements. Choose the correct answer and shade the correct choice in the OMR given to you with blue or black ballpoint pen. Francisco de Almeida implemented Blue Water Policy, War and Negotiation Policy, Divide and Rule Policy, Doctrine of Lapse Policy. Francisco de Almeida implemented Blue Water Policy. Option A is the correct answer. Salbai Agreement was signed to end the First Anglo-Mysore War, First Anglo-Maratha War, First Anglo-Sikh War, First Carnatic War. Salbai Agreement was signed to end the First Anglo-Maratha War. Option B is the correct answer. A Fauzdari Adalat is Civil Court, Revenue Court, Criminal Court, Consumer Court. Correct answer is option C, Criminal Court. Fauzdari Adalat is Criminal Court. The Governor General during the Fourth Anglo-Mysore War was Wellesley, Dalhousie, Cornwallis, Ripon. The Governor General during the Fourth Anglo-Mysore War was Wellesley. Option A is the correct answer. The social reformer who declared back to Vedas was Rajaram Mohan Rai, Swami Vivekananda, Narayana Guru, Dayananda Saraswati. The social reformer who declared back to Vedas was Dayananda Saraswati. Option D is the correct answer. Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi revolted against British due to subsidiary alliance, war and negotiation policy, divide and rule policy, doctrine of lapse policy. Rani Lakshmi Bai revolted against the British opposing doctrine of lapse policy. Option D is the correct answer. Ras Bihari Ghosh and Madan Madam Kama are the leaders of revolutionaries, moderates, radicals, extremists. Ras Bihari Ghosh and Madam Kama, they are the leaders of revolutionaries. Option A is the correct answer. The founder of Indian National Congress is Mahatma Gandhi ji, A.O. Hume, Bala Gangadhar Tilak, Gopala Krishna Gokhale. A.O. Hume is the founder of Indian National Congress. Option B is the correct answer. Forward Bloc was founded by Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Bala Gangadhar Tilak. Forward Bloc was founded by Subhash Chandra Bose. Option B is the correct answer. Lala Lajpat Rai was killed during Jallianwala Bagh massacre, the protest against Simon Commission, non-cooperation movement, the Salt Satyagraha. A radical leader, Lala Lajpat Rai, was killed during the protest against Simon Commission. Option B is the correct answer. Mahad Tank and Kalaram Temple movements were organized to protest against the practice of untouchability, visit of Prince of Wales, proposal of Cripps Mission, arrest of Gandhi at Dandi. Mahad Tank and Kalaram Temple movements were organized to protest against the practice of untouchability. Mahad Tank and Kalaram Temple movements were started by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar against the practice of untouchability. Option A is the correct answer. The word added to preamble through 42nd Amendment of the Constitution are Republic and democracy, socialist and secular, sovereignty and democracy, regional and secular. The words added to preamble through 42nd Amendment of the Constitution are socialist and secular. Option B is the correct answer. Channamma revolted against the British from Mysore, Kittur, Belagavi, Chitradurga. She is popularly known as Kittur Channamma because she revolted against the British from Kittur. Option B is the correct answer. Lokpal and Lokayukta are set up to check regional imbalance, corruption, communalism, practice of untouchability. Correct answer is option B, corruption. Lokayukta and Lokpal and Lokayukta have been started mainly to protest against corruption. The Constitution of India's Article 51 advocates free and compulsory education, uniform panchayat institutions, social justice and welfare of people, establishing international peace and cooperation. Correct answer is option D, establishing international peace and cooperation. In 1966, USSR had supported the Tashkent Agreement between India and Pakistan, Sri Lanka and Pakistan, India and China, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. Correct answer is India and Pakistan. The Human Rights Declaration was adopted on December 10, 1948, December 15, 1949, March 10, 1950, March 15, 1952. The General Assembly of UNO adopted the Human Rights Declaration on 10th December 1948. Option A is the correct answer. That's why every year 10th December is celebrated as Human Rights Day. The Cabinet of UNO is General Assembly, Trusteeship Council, Security Council, Secretariat. Security Council is known as the Cabinet of UNO. Option C is the correct answer. The Chief Architect of the Indian Constitution is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad, Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi. Correct answer is option A, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The book The Republic was written by Aristotle, Plato, Karl Marx, Auguste Comte. The book Republic was written by Plato. Option B is the correct answer. Karnataka State Raita Sangha was founded by Rudrappa, Basavalingappa, M.D. Nanjundaswamy, N.D. Sundaresh. Correct answer is option C, M.D. Nanjundaswamy. Child Marriage Prohibition Act was passed in the year 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009. It was passed in the year 2006. Option A is the correct answer. The highest peak in the Eastern Ghats is Anaimudi, Armakonda, Guru Shikhar, Nilgiris. The highest peak in the Eastern Ghats is Armakonda. Option B is the correct answer. Dras near Kargil is prominent for lowest recorded rainfall in India, highest recorded temperature in India, lowest recorded temperature in India, highest recorded rainfall in India. Dras near Kargil is prominent for lowest recorded temperature in India. Option C is the correct answer. The black soil is derived from crystalline rocks, basalt rocks, granite, coal. The black soil is derived from basalt rocks. Option B is the correct answer. Stilt-like roots are found in equatorial forest, tropical deciduous forest, mountain forest, mangrove forest. Stilt-like roots are found in mangrove forest. Option D is the correct answer. The west flowing rivers of peninsular plateaus of India are Mahanadi and Krishna, Tunga and Bhadra, Narmada and Tapi, Kaveri and Palar. The west flowing rivers of peninsular plateau of India are Narmada and Tapi. Correct answer is option C. Shifting farming and sedentary farming are the two types of commercial farming, intensive farming, irrigation farming, subsistence farming. Shifting farming and sedentary farming are the two types of subsistence farming. Option D is the correct answer. The gateway of India is Delhi, Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai. The gateway of India is Mumbai. Option D is the correct answer. The iron and steel industries under private sector among these is Ispat Steel Plant, Bokaro Steel Plant, Bhilai Steel Plant, the Salem Steel Plant. The iron and steel industries under private sector among these is Ispat Steel Plant. One of the measures for preventing coastal erosion is construction of dams across the rivers, restrict sand mining in coastal areas, avoid the construction of large dams and reservoirs, construction of high-rise buildings. Correct answer is option B, restrict sand mining in coastal areas. Option B is the correct answer. The oldest and still existing newspaper of India is Bombay Samachar, Mangaluru Samachar, Bengaluru Samachar, Mysuru Samachar. The oldest and still existing newspaper of India is Bombay Samachar. Option A is the correct answer. The port situated in the Union Territories of India among these Kolkata, Visakhapatnam, Ennore, Port Blair. Correct answer is D. Port Blair. When national income is divided by total population, we get gross national income, per capita income, standard of living, life expectancy. When national income is divided by total population, we get per capita income. Option B is the correct answer. Ashray Yojana was implemented to provide employment for unemployed people, shelter for the shelterless people, agricultural land for landless people, schools for illiterates. Ashray Yojana was implemented to provide shelter for the shelterless people. Option B is the correct answer. A uniform system of Panchayat Raj institutions throughout the country was established by 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act in 1993, 63rd Constitutional Amendment Act in 1963, 53rd Constitutional Amendment Act in 1953, 43rd Constitutional Amendment Act in 1973. A uniform system of Panchayat Raj institution throughout the country was established by 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act in 1993. Option A is the correct answer. The account holder can withdraw or deposit any number of times in a day in this type of account: savings bank account, current account, recurring deposit account, term deposit account. The account holder can withdraw or deposit any number of times in a day in current account. Option B is the correct answer. The national savings certificates are issued by Post Office, State Bank of India, Reserve Bank of India, Land Development Banks. The national savings certificates are issued by post offices. Option A is the correct answer. World Consumer Day is celebrated on 15th March every year, 14th February every year, 14th November every year, 15th August every year. Correct answer is option A, 15th March every year. The Consumer Protection Act came into force in India in the year 1962, 1972, 1986, 1996. The Consumer Protection Act came into force in India in the year 1986. Option C is the correct answer.